Shamai, this week you are going to be a food detective. You are going to find out which are your family's favourite foods. Our topic this week is the Great Pant Bake Off, so I decided that I was going to look at desserts. I chose a delicious watermelon, melt in the mouth biscuits, delicious cupcakes, ice cream, and chocolate cake. Next, you'll need to decide how you are going to gather your information. I decided to use a tally chart like this one. So I added the names of the food on the left-hand side and a picture. I then asked my family what their choice would be. Remember that 1 mark equals 1 person. These are my results. I then counted up the tally marks and put the answer in the totals column. 4 people chose ice creams, but what if one more person had chosen ice cream as their favourite food? Well, then I need to put a line through the 4 tally marks. This is what we call closing the gate. The reason we do this is to make it easier for us to count. Now that you have your information in your tally chart, you may decide that you want to share it in a different way. I decided to go on to Purple Mash and use 2 count to produce a pictogram, and I also put the information into 2 graph, which allowed me to make a bar chart. Remember, if you are drawing your graph on paper, then you will need 2 axes and you'll need to give your graph a title. Now it's your turn. We can't wait to find out what your family's favourite foods are. You could record yourself talking about their favourite foods, or you could use the 2 graph, 2 publish or 2 paint programs like I did on Purple Mash, but remember to save your work so we can see it. Or if you would prefer to do it on paper, then remember to draw your graph, take a photograph and save it on Seesaw. Have fun, boys and girls.